Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play games and earn money. We will dive into several exciting avenues for turning your passion into profit. First, consider competitive esports, where top players can win millions of dollars in prize money. Next, explore content creation, like streaming or making videos, which can generate income through ads and sponsorships. Finally, we will look at play-to-earn games and selling in-game assets. Esports offers substantial prize money, with some tournaments boasting pools exceeding $40 million. Streaming on platforms like Twitch allows you to earn through subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue, often requiring consistent daily broadcasts. You can also create and sell unique in-game items, like custom skins or weapons, within various game economies. Lastly, play-to-earn games reward players with cryptocurrency, or NFTs, for their in-game achievements. To maximize your earnings, focus on a specific game or genre to attract a loyal following. Dedicate several hours daily to practice and refine your skills, aiming for top-tier performance. Collaborating with other creators can expand your reach to new audiences. Understanding how different platforms and games generate revenue will help you strategically position yourself for greater financial success. Always exercise caution against scams and unrealistic promises in the gaming world. It is crucial to manage your time wisely to prevent burnout, ensuring a healthy balance between gaming and other aspects of life. Remember to research and understand the tax obligations associated with any income you earn from gaming. Begin with smaller goals and steadily expand your endeavors as you gain experience and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.